In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at how to export charts from Google Sheets, either to Google Drive and or to email. So let's jump into the script. So extensions and app script. And I have some examples down below, and we're going to work through this primary one here. And the second one is how to export if you have multiple charts, and I will demo that at the end. So let's start with our basic script. I'm going to write it from scratch just so I can walk you through each part. So export chart and open our function just like that. So first of all, we're going to access the Google Sheet, and I'm going to do that through let ss equals spreadsheet app get active spreadsheet. Then I'm going to access the actual tab or sheet here, and that's going to be sheet equals ss get sheet by name sheet 1, just like that. And then we need to get the charts. So let chart equals sheet, and so we access the tab to get the charts on that, and then get charts. So that's going to get all the charts on that. And so to get the first one or only one, we're going to put 0 inside a bracket, just like that. Next, we need to convert it to an image. And we're going to do chart blob and get that chart as, and we're going to do image.png. You could do that at JPEG as well. And then we're going to set the name here. And we'll just call it chart.png. And again, if you're doing a JPEG, do JPG instead of PNG. All right, so to save this to a Google Drive folder, you can create a folder and then get this ID right here. And you'll want to get that folder like this, Drive app, get folder by ID, and then we can put that in double quotes, just like that. And now we can do folder, create file, and that chart blob right there, just like that. So if we run this, it's going to go ahead and create that file in here. So let's try that out. So we'll do export chart, just like this function, and then we'll click run. And once that's done, we'll go check, refresh, and there's our chart. So if we double click, we can see there's our bar chart, just like what we have over here. Now you will notice there are a few little deviations on the formatting, and that's just how the export works. There's not much you can do with that, unfortunately, so you'll just have to play with it to see how you can get that to go. All right, so that's how we can create it in a folder. And so let's delete this for now and look at how to send it in an email. So we can send it using the mail app function here and send email. And then that allows us to do things like to, and then we'll set that to myself here, Sheets Ninja Sensei at gmail.com. Subject, daily report. And then we're going to do HTML body. And then we're going to do backticks here because we're going to have a single quote and double quotes inside this. So we'll do a paragraph tag for the header. So here's your chart and end our paragraph tag. And that'll take us to the next line. And here we're going to do image and source will be CID chart image. And so we'll refer to that here in a second where we're going to actually insert that. And so that's where we go to inline images. And we're going to add that inside of curly braces here and chart image. And so that's where that is going to match this text right here. And then now we can attach that chart blob right from here. So copy and paste, save, and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and run that export chart here. And then check our email, refresh, and there is our chart, just like that in our email. All right, so to export multiple charts, I'm going to create another quick chart right here. And then let's change this to a pie chart and put that over here. And so we can just do a couple quick things. I'm just going to change background here. And we'll just call this breakdown. Change a couple settings here, and then we'll go ahead and run with it. All right, so we have another chart here. And so let's go back to this. And then let me scroll down to our multiple charts. So a lot of it is very similar. So here's where we get the charts, and there's the folder. But then what we have to do is, because we have multiple charts, we have to iterate through. And so we have this little piece here. So I'm not going to explain it in this video, but basically we're going to go through each one, and then we're going to generate the image, save each one to Google Drive, and then add it to our object here. And then we're going to create that HTML body, and we're going to add one each time we have an image to add a chart for each one. And then finally, we'll send it as email. So this part looks very similar. So it's just this part in the middle where we have to loop through each chart and add it. So what this looks like, we go to export all charts as PNG, click run. And when that's done, we come over here to our folder. There's chart 1 and chart 2. Come over to our inbox. Here we go. We have an email with our chart 1 and our chart 2, just like that. So check out the link in the description below to make a copy of this project with the code intact, so you can take a look at this and modify it for your own usage. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.